welcome to a new video. I'm here with my friend Laura. Thank you so much for being here with me.
Thank you for having me.
We're in Laura's apartment in New York and we're gonna make this super nice, healthy, filling, powerful salad for you guys. It's gonna be great as a lunch, but even as dinner it could work.
So yeah.
It's gonna be a chicken salad with a super nice dressing made of avocado, lime and cilantro. We're gonna put some roasted chickpeas in there. Nice herbs, veggies, so it's gonna be super nice. And yeah, we're gonna take you guys through it. So let's get started.
Let's get started.
So we're gonna preheat the oven at
425 Fahrenheit.
Yeah, and I think that's around 220 Celsius. So I'll look it up and put it somewhere down there. Yeah, so let's start with that. Woo. And now we're gonna make the chickpeas, prepare them. So put some olive oil on like an oven plate.
That's good.
Perfect. And then we're gonna, she's great at this. We're gonna add the chickpeas to it. And I will like blend it a little bit. You can also already pre-blend it like in a bowl. But this is perfect. And then we're gonna put seasoning.
Yeah, so we have a chili lime flavoring, and then we have salt, pepper, and garlic powder. But you can kind of just put whatever you like.
Exactly. And just go with like how much you love. Doesn't really matter. Oh, there you go.
There we go.
I could even like. We're using like 1 can of chickpeas for 2 plates. Oops. It already tastes good.
I think it needs a lot of this to like get the flavor.
Oh yes. Oh, that really smells good.
This smells very good.
Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, great. So perfect. We put this in the oven for about, let's say 20 till 30 minutes, but have a look at it. It should not be burned, but it can be in there a little time to be crispy, right?
Yeah, we want to make them crispy.
Yeah,
for sure.
So let's hope it's gonna work.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool.
So it's time for the dressing, the creamy dressing. And what we need 1 avocado, I don't know how to pronounce this. Avocado, so Dutch. So Laura's gonna cut this. Then we need like a few squeezes of lime juice.
That's a good one.
Ooh, that makes us happy. And cilantro, garlic, yogurt. How should we do this?
I usually just squeeze it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Show me. She knows all the
Like
secrets.
this one. Maybe not as good.
I figured it out.
There you go.
But I touched it with my hand.
I think your way is better.
Oh no, it looks good. Great.
Not as pretty as Nina's, but it works.
You didn't touch it. I did. This salt?
Yes. Salt.
2 cloves of garlic.
And then 2 squeezes of lime. Oh, it smells good. I love lime.
You guys better try this recipe.
It's gonna be amazing.
And half a cup of Greek yogurt.
And then 2 cups of cilantro with the stem on it. Just put it all in.
So this is gonna turn out like an Instagrammable dressing, I feel.
Yes. And then also 1 cup of water.
Oh, good. And you can do this in like a blender like we do, like where you would make your smoothies in, or just like a kitchen machine or anything like that. So cucumber, and chives. And we're gonna put it all in a bowl.
Yes.
Try to make it pretty.
Our chicken is ready and our chickpeas are ready too. They turned out really good. Do you think this is good or this?
Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so we put the romaine in a big bowl. Oh, this looks so good. And then I'm gonna add some of the dressing, not everything, just like maybe like that.
So nice.
There you go.
Wow.
And we're gonna mix it.
Never up, never down, never.
The chickpeas, guys, listen. They're crispy.
It looks so good.
Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do.
And the last steps are the chicken and a little bit of the dressing on top. So yeah, let's do that.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
It's a wrap, we made them.
We're
It
done.
looks so good.
I can't wait to try.
No, me neither. So first, before we try, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. We love making this together, so find a friend, make it together, it's really fun. And thank you, Laura, for being in my video.
Thank you for having me, this is so nice.
And don't forget to subscribe on Laura, her channel, and on her Instagram. I will link it down below. And yeah,
Thanks.
I can't wait to try, so
Shall we?
we will, yes. Okay. My hair, it's always like my hair is like in the bowl. I'm like, no. Okay.
Wow.
So good.
The dressing is so good.
Oh my god. We did a good
I
job.
love it with the crunchy chickpeas.
I know.
The dressing is so fresh.
This is really good, guys. I'm like upset.
Look at that color too.
Mm-hmm.
So happy.
Okay, bye guys.
It's good. It's so hard to eat a salad like nicely.